Welcome to St Mary's Village. My name's Harry and I'm just taking you a little tour of the site. So welcome to my flat. I just want to mention here that to get into your flat, your room and some of the communal areas on St Mary's, you use a key fob. Okay, so let's go in. This is our lounge area and here are two of my flatmates. Hello, Izzy and Katie. So you just come in here if you want to have something to eat, talk to one of your flatmates and just have a little chill. So this is the kitchen. I share this kitchen with 5 other people. Here we've got the cooker and supplied to us by the uni is the fridge freezers, the microwave, the toaster and the kettle. We also get given an ironing board too. There's loads of room for you to put your stuff in. There's plenty of cover space and plenty of fridge and freezer space. This is my room. In here we've got a 4-foot bed. Under the bed there's also plenty of storage. We've got a place to study, we've got a cupboard, and we've also got a bathroom. In your bathroom you get a sink, a toilet and a really nice shower. This is the Hall's office. They can help you with any Hall's inquiries like room transfers or inquiries about payments. If you've got any maintenance requests, you do these online and a maintenance person will come to your flat and sort it out for you. You can also collect your mail and security lodge is also in here and that's 24 hours. So this is Barlow's. We've got our lounge and our shop in here. Now if you want to follow me, I'll show you to the laundrette. This is the laundrette. It's open from 8 o'clock in the morning till midnight, so you can come in here whenever, put in your washing and your drying. So this is one of the communal kitchens we've got here on St Mary's. It's free to hire. You hire through the Hall's office, come in here with a group of mates and cook and just have a bit of fun. This is one of the study rooms. You can come in here when you've got exams, you just need a little bit of time just by yourself to do some revision. These are really quiet and a really good place to come. This is the St Mary's computer room, so you can come in here 24 hours a day. So this is the fitness room and you get to use this gym and the gym on the other Frithwyr site. In here you've got your main cardio machines and also your main weight machines. Here is our multi-use games area. We've also got spaces for your bikes. You can put them in the bike sheds and they're all undercover. So I hope you enjoyed your tour around St Mary's. If you want any more information, just go on to the Accommodation website.